Do people make money on TikTok, or how to make money on TikTok? What's up, YouTube? Welcome to Agarwal Bros. I am Akshat, and in today's video, I have an awesome topic for you people. I'm gonna teach you how you can make some money with TikTok. So, watch this video till the end, and if you like this video, please hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel. On our channel, we tell various ways to earn easy money online, like earning from Fiverr, earning from YouTube, earning by playing PUBG, and by giving tuitions, etc. etc. There are many ways through which you can earn easy money online. So let's dive straight into the method. So first of all, I would like to show you something. These are some TikTok statistics that I would like to show you. So you can see 75, it is available in 75 languages, and it has 1 million video views per day. If you scroll down further, you know, you can see most downloaded app in Google Play November 2018, 500 million active users worldwide. Okay, 20 million active users in India, highly popular in many Asian countries. So this app is, quite popular. It's even more popular than PUBG, as you can see here. So there's a lot of scope with this app because this app gets tons and tons and tons of traffic, and you can easily monetize this traffic if you follow the methods I'm gonna show you in this video. So the first method that I would recommend is by showcasing products of big brands. Now in this method, what you have to do is you have to build up your profile on TikTok. I agree this may take some time, but since TikTok is a very popular platform, you need to create. You can easily build a huge following if you create interesting content. It's going faster than other video platforms like uh, YouTube. In this platform, you only need to create a 15-second video where you can just gain popularity very quickly. So just create TikTok videos, gain following, and after you reach a certain level, big brands are gonna approach you, and then you can easily you know uh, you can easily advertise their product, and you can take a fixed price for doing so and earn money this way. So this was number one way of earning money through TikTok. I know this sounds very long method, but it's one of the ways through which you can earn money from TikTok. And I'm gonna show you various other ways also which do not even require making videos, so just stay tuned. Second method which I would recommend is by selling your own merchandise. So this method is also like first method. You have to build up your following. So for that you need to create consistent content, and then you can sell your own merchandise. For own merchandise, you can visit sites like Amazon Merch, or there's another one called Teespring. So there you there what you do is you can make your own t-shirts and hoodies and stuff like that, and you can uh, build your own brand. So there are certain pros of there are two websites. One is Amazon Merch and another one is Teespring. So on Amazon Merch, you get a good amount of traffic because Amazon is the most visited site in the world when it comes to buying. So if you are accepted to Amazon Merch, then you can make tons and tons of money by promoting your merchandise on TikTok. You can make your videos of make videos wearing your t-shirts. So it's very easy to set up all this. This is free way to promote your products. There's but one catch with Amazon merch, that you need to get accepted. You can only join Amazon merch when you receive an invitation. However, same is not the case with Teespring. You can start right away, but there is one thing, that you get very less traffic compared to Amazon merch, because Amazon is a giant, so you get comparatively less traffic on Teespring, but you can start anyway. So you can try both these platforms initially. Yeah, first of all, you need to build a brand, and if you build a brand, then it would be easier to get accepted on Amazon merch. And Teespring is already it's very easy to join Teespring. So you can try both these platforms, see what works for you. Third method that I recommend to you is a very little known method, uh, which most of the people don't know about this method. The method is called creating compilation videos. So I have talked about creating compilation videos in my past videos. I am gonna give a link to those videos in the description. Those videos are primarily in Hindi. So if you don't understand, I am gonna tell you how the thing works. So first of all, for this you need to head over to YouTube, and so we are on YouTube now. You can see when I write TikTok videos, you can see the volume is 5,50,000 monthly searches. It's 0.55 million searches per month. So if you're in case you're wondering how I'm able to get this, then you need to install a software called Keywords Everywhere. See, I have installed this software already. So you need to install this software. This is absolutely free. Another software that I would recommend is called vidIQ. This is also a free software. It also shows you the highest views, average views, competition, subscribers, how many views this channel is getting, etc., etc. So when I type in TikTok videos, I can see that this channel has got 33,000 subscribers, but it has got 293k views. Another one, 1.12 lakh subscribers, and has got 6.7 million views. So you can see the first way of analyzing whether a video is popular or not, and whether that particular video has demand or not, is to see the ratio of views to the ratio of subscribers. The higher the ratio, by that I mean higher the number of views and lower the subscribers, the more are the chances of topic being popular. So you can easily see these are top popular videos. you know uh, Many videos are Indian. So TikTok India top trending videos. This channel, the Spark creator, has made this video, and you can see with only 33,000 subscribers, he's able to get 293k views. So this is a very very simple way through which you can make uh, money online. Now what you have to do is, you have to take 5 or 6 TikTok videos of top TikTok video creators. Then you have to take an online video software. I have in my previous videos mentioned about one software called Hit Film Express. So that is a free software which you can download over the internet, and you can use that software for editing purposes. You can find many videos over the internet which teach you how to edit a particular video, and how to you know make a compilation. All the videos on TikTok are just 15 seconds long. So you can just create a compilation of 5 6 or 10 videos, and post it on YouTube. Now there is some backlash going around regarding this method. People say that these kind of videos don't get monetized or something like that. So I would recommend you to be on a safer side and try this method on another YouTube channel, not your current YouTube channel. You should create another YouTube channel and then you should try this approach. Another thing that people say is that you should buy an already monetized channel and then you should upload these kind of compilation videos on that channel. So that is my recommendation. And if you don't want to pay for buying you don't want to pay for any monetized channel, then I would recommend trying it out on a separate channel with a separate email ID and see if this method works for you, because this is very trending and people are searching for it, and there are, you know, very good chances of getting many views from just one video. You all but the you know with this method you have to stay consistent, you have to upload regular videos if you want to make some good money with this method. So this was my third method. Now we are going to talk about my fourth method, which is called the uh, which is by cross promoting your other social platform and doing affiliate marketing. So in this method what you have to do is you have to create your TikTok account as usual. Then you have to start creating content regarding your niche. Say for example your niche is related to fashion, then you have to create videos related to fashion, and you have to, you know, show different kind of products that you use, and then you can link it to your YouTube channel or to your Instagram channel where you promote your product, and you can also put the link in your description, in your bio, which is there on TikTok. So either you do that, or if for some reason TikTok doesn't allow you to paste your link in the bio, then you can link them to your YouTube account, and you can link your TikTok channel to your Instagram account, and there you can put a link to your merchandise in your uh, bio section. You can either link your merchandise, or you can link the product which you are promoting. So this is a way through which you can you know use the traffic that you generate on TikTok and send it over to your YouTube account, to your website, to your blog, to your Instagram. The opportunities are endless, and you just need to be creative with your video making skills. So this is how you can, you know, siphon off the traffic from TikTok, because TikTok receives good amount of traffic per day, so you can easily convert that traffic into cash. And the last method which I'm gonna tell you is a very little known method. So let me see. So this is something new, and which people also don't know about this thing. The thing is that TikTok also has an affiliate program, its own affiliate program, and this is a site called Offer Vault. It lists down various affiliate uh, uh, products or affiliate platforms available all over the internet. So you can see TikTok and TW. It's available in Android, and I saw another one that was available in US also. So let me check. TikTok affiliate program US. Let me see if it's available. Hmm. So I found something like TikTok Android US. You can even promote TikTok app, and you can get $1.20 per lead. So you can make a YouTube video, or you can make a blog, and you can promote this app by coming over to OfferVault and then joining the network. This opportunity is brought to you by Epitate. Epitate is a fast-growing international mobile CPI affiliate network based in Spain, Madrid. Okay, so this is another way through which you can earn money through TikTok. So I hope you liked my video. If you feel anything about this video, then you can comment on the video, and also you can subscribe to our channel where we post regular content on how to make money online. So we'll meet you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.